Look at my hair right now. I have it up in like a tank top because everyone was telling me to wash my hair. Wrap it with a towel. No. What? I look so gorgeous. I look 87. For the first time in probably all of my 20s, I don't have any hair dye or bleach on my hair. And I want to be able to learn this new texture that I have, or texture I've always had throughout my life, but I've never really taken the time to discover it, because when I got out of the shower, I would just brush it straight, because that's just what you do. You brush it all out and you put detangler in or leave-in conditioner, you know, whatever. You put your products in and just let your hair dry. That's just what I've always known. And I've noticed throughout the years how I've had like random spots that are wanting to curl or, you know, get wavy. And I feel like now that I just don't have any bleach or dye or nothing on my hair can finally do its own thing and like be free. So I learned from a bunch of you guys online about different things I could do. I wrapped my hair about an hour ago, and then I like sat down for a minute and I fell asleep on accident for a little bit. But I want to add like some leave-in conditioner to my hair. I don't know if I'm allowed to just spray it on like this. I did my hair for the first time like this the other day. That's what my thumbnail is. I'll insert pictures, and I loved it. I loved it. It was so gorgeous. And I tried like a few different techniques. I did my diffuser. I did like just the scrunching effort. For the front pieces that I had the most spiraled, I like wrapped my hair around my finger like this. Then I dropped it in over one of the diffuser spikes. And I just felt really beautiful. I was like, I didn't know my hair could do this. So I loved it, and I still want to feel that same way. Also, I sliced my finger open, so if you see this weird spot on my finger, I hurt myself while making breakfast. I know. The only thing is, like, how do I get serum in my hair? Do I just kind of like go like this? Like, how do I serum? I'm so used to just like going like this and running it straight through. Now, I did notice the last time I blow dried my hair with this diffuser is I was diffusing it up, and I know they said not to do that, but I was doing it with the cold, so I was hoping that would be better. And I would just kind of hold it for a minute and then let it fall, and then I let the rest just air dry. I feel like I'm relearning how to do hair for the first time, and it's honestly exciting, but it makes me a little nervous just because I'm like, I guess I'm not nervous, I'm just like, I really want to just know how to do it already. Okay, so I guess we're just gonna trial and error together today. I have watched a few TikToks on this. I looked up like how to diffuse your hair. I saw everyone was saying how to just like go with the roots first to dry the roots and then go in. So I'm gonna try that. I did not do that last time. Is this what I'm supposed to do? How do we get the input? Last time when I did this, I separated it by little section. Oh my gosh, I feel like it dried different today than it did when I did it the other day, probably because I accidentally took a nap. When I did it the other day, I separated it like this. I separated it in half, and then I had taken them and I had like twirled them. Then I went like this. I went like this all the way down. And then I spun this and pinned it up. And I did that to this one too, but I'm gonna diffuse this. So then they're both just twisties, and then I pinned it up, and then I diffused. But I diffused in 2 halves. I know they say don't diffuse with your ends in first, but I just wanna show you what I did. But I do wanna learn how to do it properly, but this is just what I did, so you guys can kind of get an idea. I did this. Which I know it does make your ends look weird, but that's just what I had tried because I didn't know. Do I just leave my ends out? Like, I don't get it. My hair is drying different today. Do you see the waves in my hair? I wish I hadn't taken an accidental nap. Oh my gosh, I'm so pale right now. It's actually insane. Ah, it's in my ear. I have it on cool. I feel like it's drying different this time. Like, it looks different to me. Is that what wavy hair is though? It's different. You never know what you're gonna get. I don't know. I love that my hair, so my hair has always done this natural like swoopy hair, but the rest of it, it's kind of hard to like, it's still trying to figure out its life. So this is the one that I did this to. I feel like my hair is drying different. See, look at this spiral. See, spirally. This is what I want all my curly wavies to look like, is this spiral number. If you guys know how to do this all over my head, will you teach me? This is freaking gorge. I love that. Okay, we'll go like this. We'll do it around 2 fingers. We'll try again. Ah, yes. Oh, the end is kind of weird. But like, look how pretty. If I wanted to do this all over, would I just have to like help with my fingers first and do it all over, you think? If you know how, please tell me. I'm brand new to this world and I'm open to learning anything. Oh my gosh, do you see these ones back here? Look at this. Look at that one, she's doing it on her own. These girls too, do you see how they're trying so hard to wave and like, look. Do you guys freaking see them? Look how cute. I feel like while my hair is learning, like look, see how I have this one piece that's like, it's like straight. There's nothing happening here. I feel like these are the pieces when they're dry, I can take a really small curling iron and just do a quick wrap. But I don't know if that'll kill off the curl though, like if that means it'll just never curl up, but I want my hair to all flow. Does that make sense? I'm just trying to learn. I have some spiral pieces in here. I have some just wavy and then I have some random just flat ones like this. So I have like a weird mix, and I think that's just because I'm learning this hair and my hair has never been nurtured in its natural way before. I'm just learning. I'm really trying to understand. Look at it. See what I mean? This one's trying to do like a cute little spiral thing right here. Oh my God, you're so cute. I love this hair. I literally love, I'm not gonna diffuse that one. I love this hair. I genuinely feel so pretty. It just feels like, I don't know, it's bringing me to life. It feels like it's me, because it is me. Look at her. Cute. This is what my hair looks right now as it's drying. I'm gonna let it air dry a little more. And then I'm gonna go in with the curling iron and touch it up and see. I feel like my hair is drying a little different this time because I did things a little differently. That's okay because I'm learning different ways. I'll catch up with you in a few after it's drying a little longer. I'm bringing out my curling wand, this little guy. I hope you can tell, like I have a lot of wavies in here. Do you see? I have all my curlies and my wavies. It's not fully dry. The top is pretty much all dry. But like, look at that. Look at all of that. So I have a lot in here, but I want to touch up certain pieces to make it like really come together. Like what is this random piece? But then I have like pieces under here like this, where they're like spirally wavy. I don't know what the mix of texture is, but I'm trying my best. So if you still have tips for me, please let me know. I'm gonna do just random pieces here and there. Where else do I have like a flat piece? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just so it kind of all comes together. Okay, my battery's gonna die, but I'm just gonna curl just random little pieces and then I'll show you my hair in the end. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Okay, I'm doing this end part pretty quickly because my battery is like on its last leg. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I just touched up on the other side. I only did like what, maybe 6 pieces on each side, small pieces. And then I just sprayed it with some texture spray. And there it is. If you guys have any tips or tricks, please let me know. If you wanna see how I'm learning along the way or see how I do hairstyles with my new wavy hair, things like that, please let me know because I'm just still discovering this world. So yes, I love you. Thank you for sending me your tips and tricks over on Instagram as well. But I will take all the information that I can get. Thanks guys, I love you so much and I will see you very soon.